In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourself look thinner with Luminar Neo. Let's dive in and explore how you can use some of its fantastic features to achieve the look you want. First things first, you'll want to launch Luminar Neo directly from your desktop. Once you've got the application up and running, you'll need to select the image you'll be working on. Head over to the Catalog tab, where you can either click directly on an image from the list, or select Add Photos to choose an image from your computer. Once you've selected your image, go to the Edit module, which is where all the magic happens. Now you'll be wanting to navigate to the Portrait section in the main toolbar. Within this section, look for Body AI. This is a powerful tool in Luminar Neo designed to help you adjust the appearance of the body in your photograph effortlessly. Once you've selected Body AI, turn your attention to the Shape slider. This nifty tool allows you to adjust the overall width of the torso. By sliding to the right, you can make the torso appear slimmer. It's a quick and effective way to fine-tune the body shape to your liking. Moving forward, you also have the option to adjust the abdomen area specifically. Just use the abdomen slider to gently pinch in this section, which can help create a more defined silhouette. Keep in mind, subtlety is key here to maintain a natural and authentic look. Next up, if you want to refine the facial features in the image, look no further than Face AI. Select Face AI and locate the Slim Face slider. This tool allows you to contour and create a more slender look by moving the slider to the right. It's perfect for achieving those subtle facial adjustments that enhance the overall image. As you make these changes, remind yourself to make adjustments gradually. This ensures the final effect looks natural. In Luminar Neo, less is often more, and the aim should be to enhance the photograph while preserving its authenticity and charm. To wrap up, using Luminar Neo's advanced AI tools, you can create refined and natural-looking photos with ease. And that's it. Follow these steps, keep your adjustments subtle, and you'll have a beautifully enhanced photograph that achieves the slimming effect you're after. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Enjoy exploring all that Luminar Neo has to offer, and happy editing!